finally overtake me. Put your ears up to my mouth and you can hear them singing. Put your hands within me and you'll know what I am feeling. I just wanna swallow up and promise to protect them. Daddy come towards me, I could see his hands were shaking. Put his hands against me, you could feel their bodies breaking. Pushed me to the floor and put his hands up for a beating. I don't wanna hear it anymore, he kept repeating. Do you really want the burning hell to come and get you? Did you see the burning hell that took your baby brother? Did you see how far he fell and how he made us suffer? Another boy in town at night, he took him for his lover. Took a hammer, nearly beat his little brains in, knowing God in heaven never could forgive him. So I took a hammer, nearly beat his little brains in. Little boy born without a mother or a father, taken to the river and then pushed into the water. Was singing that the hell was getting harder. La, 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 la. Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, the only ones to save him from the thing he loves the most, but we know will betray him. Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, the only ones to save